Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. It's moving higher in trading here today, helped by higher stocks. And also the Bank of Japan official came out and said, you know, we might not have to tighten any further if you guys are going to be disruptive in the market. So, but the move to the upside is running into some key resistance targets. I'm going to talk about it in this video, so let's get started. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here, and I want to bring to your attention some key levels. One is this yellow area right here. This yellow area is defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back to this area right through here. I outline all these different times when the price came within that area and either found support or resistance against the level. And we, after finding support here, the market moved to the upside. We came back down, retraced down into that area, found some support sellers against the 100-day moving average, pushed the price lower. And we found early sellers here pushing even lower. And in trading here today, we finally moved back up toward that yellow area. The high price today came in just below the low of that swing area at 0.6575. The area goes all the way up to 0.6590. Also, in trading here today, we tested the 50% retracement. That's of this sharp 4-week move to the downside. That's all the price moved from about 0.68 to 0.6348 in about a month's time. That's a pretty big move. In fact, it erased all of this gain. So that took much longer to get up there in those 3 or 4 weeks to the downside. So I'm not surprised we saw the rebound to the upside. Of course, this was off of the Bank of Japan, or not the Bank of Japan, the Nikkei moving down 12.44% liquidation. That took the price below the low price for the year right here. But only by about 14 pips before the market started to rebound, and all of a sudden it was a squeeze back to the upside. So this 50% retracement level, this swing area, is also joined by other moving averages, including the 200-day moving average. That's a green line here. This blue line represents the 100-bar moving average in the 4-hour chart, and this blue line represents the 100-day moving average. So this area right here between 0.6573 and 0.6609, around 25 or so pips, 27 pips, is a key resistance level. It's from a technical perspective. If traders can get above it, it would increase the bullish bias. But I wouldn't be surprised that, given the sharp move back to the upside, we see some sellers leaning against this level, and indeed we are seeing those early sellers near the 50% retracement, near the low of the swing area, currently trading at 0.6554. So so far so good, but it makes sense technically. So be aware of that level. Let's take a quick look at the hourly chart, see what it is saying in trading here today. And the hourly chart, what we've done in trading was get back above the 100 and 200 hour moving averages. Those levels are starting to flatten out. Also, they're near the 38.2% retracement level. So this is going to be support on any sort of move to the downside, and a key tell for whether the market's going to go higher or go lower on any sort of move down toward this level, finding some early support against that level. So be aware of that. And if we finally take a look at the 5-minute chart just for giggles, see if it's telling us any clues. And what we're seeing off ignore these retracement levels for now, but what you see is that the price is starting to move below the 100 bar moving average. We did hold the 200 bar moving average on the last 2 dips toward that level. So this is going to be a key level in the short term for the Aussie versus US dollar. So there's a full look at that, the Aussie versus US dollar from a technical perspective. I hope you found it interesting, educating, and gives you some key levels, a key roadmap for your trading here today. But we know decent resistance was tested and found willing sellers. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.